Getting out in the fresh air and enjoying nature has been a lifeline for many of us this year, and as COVID restrictions start, the nature is compensating with a spectacular display of autumn colours. Sara Thornton is here to explain more. Tell us why.
Well, the weather watchers, our beautiful weather watchers, started sending in pictures like these over the last few days. We could just see the colours were starting to come through. It's a slow process though, it goes on for about a month. So yeah, these pictures are just absolutely the reds and the purples, but we don't always see them every single year. So today I spent the day at Scotney Castle to find out why. The nights are drawing in and the days have turned cooler. But as nature prepares to slumber, it gives us a colourful reminder that change is on the way. And this year is going to be something special. Autumn colour can really vary from year to year, and it's all about what weather came in the months before. Get the right conditions in the right amounts at the right time, and you're set for a dazzling display. This year we had the sunniest spring on record, plenty of sunshine, warmth and rain in the summer, and then a sunny September. And that all means we're set for some spectacular scenes. One person who's been closely monitoring this already extraordinary autumn is keen weather watcher, gardener and photographer Liam Kenwood. He spends as much time as possible outdoors and his camera is always at the ready.
Well, I think it's going to be a really busy time of the year because you've got all the wonderful colours, the oranges and the reds. Probably quite recently have really stood out. I think this time of the year is definitely one of my favourite times for photography and for the weather in general.
Here at the National Trust's Scotney Castle, there are already plenty of turning trees to entrance visitors. And if the weather plays ball, there are weeks of colour ahead.
We're really entering that key month now where we can expect the greatest overlap of different colours. I think part of the glory of autumn colour is that it's unpredictable, and so you are aware that when you're seeing these amazing displays that actually it's a moment in time that you're never going to recapture.
So what makes this autumn glory? The green that you see in leaves throughout the year comes from chlorophyll. And what happens is when the days start to get shorter, the chlorophyll breaks down and that allows the yellows and oranges, which were always there but just hidden, to start to come through. But on top of that, if you get some really good late summer, early autumn sunshine and cool nights, you also start to release some reds and purples. This year, more than ever, the majestic beauty of autumn is set to act as a tonic. It seems 2020 finally got something right. It was really a balm for the soul today being out there, and I have to say it's a good thing we've got all the colour because we've got an awful lot of cloud in the forecast for the weekend, and then next week we've got some winds picking up. It's going to bring us some warmer air, but we don't want anything too windy because we want the leaves to keep developing before they're knocked off the trees. I think we're going to be okay. At the moment we've got high pressure and control of our weather. That has been bringing us some cloud through the day today. We had some early sunshine, but cloud was the way of it this afternoon, and I have to say a lot of cloud, as I say, for this forecast for the weekend. You can see it just continuing to stream in through the night tonight. There'll be the odd break here and there, and where there is, could see a bit of mist and fog into tomorrow morning. So anyway, you slice it, I think we're off to a fairly grey start to the weekend. Not quite as chilly as last night, though, because we'll have more in the way of cloud. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, you still see that cloud coming through at times. There is a possibility of it just being thick enough for a touch of drizzle. I think generally it's a dry day. Some breaks here and there in the afternoon, but they are in short supply. 13 or 14 degrees, 11 in some places. That is below par for the time of year. Let's take a look at the big picture for Sunday, just because I wanted to show you all the cloud out towards the North Sea, which at times continues to drift our way. But there will be a slight change in wind direction, and I think that might help us as we move through Sunday afternoon. So it will be another fairly grey start on Sunday morning, I'm afraid. Again, there could be some mist and fog patches here and there, but in the afternoon some breaks appear in that cloud. You can see it's not quite as cloudy here on the map, and with that, temperatures once more at 13 or 14. Let me show you the outlook. The temperatures are on the up in the middle part of next week, but wet and windy too.
Thank you very much, Sara. Get out there and enjoy those autumn colours while they last. That's it from us for the moment. I'm back there with your late news. That's at 10:30. In the meantime, have a good evening. Bye-bye.